Hi, welcome to this video brought to you by ProDevons. Today we are going to look at deploying a three-tier application on JBoss EAP server. Ansible Tower template is a set of parameters for running an Ansible job. On the left, you can see that the job is currently running on a running status. The job is currently on a running status. Here the user has the option to enter some inputs as per his requirements, namely the stack, the application type, the application group, which are tags that are going to be associated with our AWS instances. The flavor of the instance, the flavor of the instances, which is the hardware configuration of our instances, the number of application instances we want to launch, the root disk size of the application and the database instances, finally the volumes for the application and the database instances. Let's go ahead and click on the next button and consequently the launch button, the Ansible Tower workflow. On Ansible Tower workflow, there is a sequence of disparate job templates that we can run sequentially. Our workflow contains three jobs. The first job creates the database and application instances on AWS EC2 service. The second job configures our MySQL instance that we are launching, and the third configures JBoss EAP, the application instances. Let's take a closer look at the tasks that we are running. The first job, that is multi-tier JBoss environment, job 1 consists of creating a security group or check for our application instances, creating the EC2 application instances, creating a volume for the application instances, and then repeating the process for the database instances. The second job, that is multi-tier JBoss environment job 2, consists of installing MySQL on our database instances, importing the MySQL schema of our application, creating the users that are being used by the application, performing hardening and granting permissions. The third and final job, that is multi-tier JBoss environment job 3, consists of installing JBoss EAP on our application instances, performing configuration management functions like configuring directory permissions, copying configuration files, changing permissions of executable files, creating user for our JBoss EAP, and finally running the JBoss EAP server as a service. Once the JBoss has entered, you will see a successful status on our job. You can now see You can now access the instance to host your JBoss application on it. If you have any queries, feel free to reach out as ask@prodevons.com. Thanks for watching.